Hi guys, welcome to Lulu La Vida. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you feel that it's something that was helpful. So today, what I'm going to show you is something that I usually reference a lot on my videos, and it's about my seasoning. And what I do is I have like the Lulu La Vida seasoning. It's my own combination that saves me a lot of time and it's very practical. And normally these are the three seasonings that I use when I tend to cook like my chicken, my meat, potatoes, so forth. And since it's a staple in my house, I just combine them and have it ready. I usually have it like on a little bowl with a tiny spoon, and it's just like on my stove ready for me to use. So what it is, it's 1/3 salt, 1/3 pepper, black pepper, and then 1/3 garlic powder. Now remember, garlic powder, not garlic salt. You don't want it to be too salty. And all you do is just combine the three. Keep it in a bowl with a tiny spoon, and that's it. It's gonna save you time, and it's just a quick tip that I've been using for years. And it's like something that I wanted to share with everybody. So just remember the three easy ingredients. You could combine any other ingredients that you might use all the time, but for me, these are the three ingredients that I tend to use for my recipes. So if you have any tips that you want to share with us, go ahead and let me know, and we can put them on my YouTube channel, and everybody else, we can start sharing our quick tips in the kitchen. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Have a blessed day.